Welcome to MarineMax Hall Marine in Lake Wylie, South Carolina. My name is Wayne Bolin, and today we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful Harris Tri-Toon. It is a 220 Solstice, has a length overall of 23 foot 6 inches. It's in black sapphire with a premium silver accent. We're looking at French gray furniture. This is a center walk-through dual helm design. There's plenty of storage on this boat. It does have the lighting package. Here's a good look at the helm on the 220 Solstice. This boat is equipped with the Mercury 150. Plenty of power to get you up on skis. Lots of fun when you're pulling a tube. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Wayne Bolin here at MarineMax Hall Marine in Lake Wylie, South Carolina. If this looks like a boat you're interested in, be sure to give us a call, 803-831-2101.